length in decimals. Length in decimals. Here we will see how we are going to convert the length units. See, we have the length units are millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. To get the kilometers can be converted into millimeters as the number into 1000. We have to multiply the number. For example, 1 kilometer can be converted into 1 into 1000, that is 1 meter. Similarly, the meters can be converted the number into 100 centimeters. Similarly, the centimeters can be converted the number into 10 millimeters. Okay, and the millimeters can be converted into centimeters when the number can be divided with 10. Okay, centimeters can be converted into meters when the number is divided with 100. And similarly, the meters can be converted into kilometers when the number is divided with thousands. Okay, if you want to convert kilometer into meter, you have to convert the meter. That particular number can be multiplied with 1000. To the meters can be converted into kilometer by the number can be divided with 1000. Okay, observe this picture carefully. Watch this one. Watch this picture carefully. How we are going to convert the length units. Next, the weight in the decimals. 4.6 kgs. This shows 4.6 kgs. That means 4 kgs 600 grams. Okay. Next, weight is, for example, if the weight is 50.07, that means it is restricted to 1 decimal only. Okay. If the weight is 50.68, it is, see, if you can observe here, it is having 2 decimals. And if the weight is 50.679, okay, after decimal we have 3 numbers. That means we can call it as restricting to 3 decimals. If the weight is 50.6789, we can restrict up to 4 decimals. Okay, like this we can measure the weight correctly and accurately. Next, we will see exercise 8.4. First problem, express as rupees using decimals. 5 paisa. 5 paisa is equals to 5 into 1 by 100. Okay, because 100 paisa is equals to, okay, like that. So 5 into 1 by 100. See here, because the 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. So 5 into 1 by 100 is equals to 0.05. So 5 paisa is equals to 0.05 rupees. Next one, 75 paise. 75 paise is equals to 75 into 1 by 100. Don't ask me why 1 by 100. It is because 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. Okay, this is equals to 0.75. That means 75 paisa is equals to 0.75 rupees. 20 paisa. 20 paisa is equals to 20 into 1 by 100. This is equals to 0.20. So 20 paisa is equals to 0.20 rupees. Now we will go next further deeper. 50 rupees 90 paisa. 50 rupees 90 paisa means 50 plus 90 paisa means what? 90 by 100. We know. So 50 plus 0.90 by 100. Okay. 90 by 100 is equals to 0.90. So 50 rupees 90 paisa is equals to 50.90. Okay, because 90 paisa is equals to 90 by 100. Next, 725 paisa. That means 725 into 1 by 100. That means 7.25. So 725 paisa is equals to 7.25 rupees. Okay, because as we have discussed, 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. Second problem, express as meters using decimals. 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters is equals to 15 into 1 by 100 meters, because 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. Okay. So 15 centimeters is equals to 15 into 1 by 100. That means 0.15 meters. Now 6 centimeters. 6 into 1 by 100 meters. That is equals to 0.06 meters. So 6 centimeters is equals to 0.06 meters. Okay. Next, 2 meter 45 centimeters. We know how to do it. 2 meters plus 45 by 100. So 45 by 100 is equals to 0.45. So this is equals to 2.45 meters. 2 meter 45 centimeters is equals to 2.45 meters. Next one, 9 meters 7 centimeters. That means 9 plus 8 into 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay. This is not 7, I think this is 8. So that 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. Okay. So that is 9.8 centimeters. Next one, 419, 419 centimeters. 419 into 1 by 100. Okay, that is 4.19 meters. So 49 centimeters, 419, 419 centimeters is equals to 4.19 meters. Question number 3. Express as centimeters using decimals. 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters is equals to 5 into 1 by 10 centimeters. That means 0.5 centimeters, because 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. So 5 millimeters is equals to 0.5 centimeters. Next one, 60 millimeters. 60 into 1 by 10 centimeters. That means 6.0 centimeters. So 60 millimeters is equals to 6.0 centimeters, because 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. We know. Okay. 164 millimeters. 164 into 1 by 10 centimeters. That means 16.4 centimeters. So 164 millimeters is equals to 16.4 centimeters. Next one, 9 centimeters 8 millimeters. 9 plus 8 into 1 by 10. That is 9.8 centimeters. So 9 centimeters and 8 millimeters is equals to 9.8 centimeters. Next one is 93 millimeters. What we have to do? 93 into 1 by 10 centimeters. That is 9.3 centimeters. So 93 millimeters is equals to 9.3 centimeters. Fourth one, express as kilometers using decimals. 8 meters. 8 into 1 by 1000. Tell me why? Because 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. So we can write this as 0.008 kilometers. Okay. So 8 meters is equals to 0.008 kilometers. Now tell me, students, what is 88 meters? How 88 meters can be converted into kilometers? Yes, tell me. 88 meters is equals to 88 into 1 by 1000. That means 0.088 kilometers. Okay. Again the reason is 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. So 88 meters is equals to 0.088 kilometers. Observe carefully. Next, 8888 meters has to be converted into kilometers. So we have to multiply with 1 by 1000, which is equals to 8.888 kilometers. Okay. So 8888 meters is equals to 8.888 kilometers. Question number 5. Express as kilograms using decimals. 2 grams. 2 into 1 by 1000. Why? Because 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. So 2 grams is equals to 0.002 kilograms. 2 grams is equals to 0.002 kilograms. Now 100 grams. 100 grams can be converted as 100 into 1 by 1000. That means 0.100 kilograms. Okay. So 100 grams is equals to 0.100 kilograms. Next, 3750 grams. 3750 into 1 by 1000 kilograms. This is equals to 3.750 kilograms. Okay, because 1000 grams is equals to, tell me, 1 kilogram. So 3750 grams is equals to 3.750 kilograms. 3750 grams is equals to 3.750 kilograms. Now look into this one. 5 kg 8 grams. That means 5 plus 8 by 1000. That means 5 plus 0.008 kilograms. Okay. This is equals to 5.008 kilograms. So 5 kg 8 grams is equals to 5.008 kilograms. Okay. Remember students, 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. Okay. Next, 26 kgs 50 grams. 26 plus 50 by 1000. That means 26 plus 0.050 kilograms, which is equals to 26.050 kgs. Okay. So 26 kgs 50 grams is equals to 26.050 kilograms. With this we have completed this exercise. Thank you.